Did you know 96% of people turn to videos to learn more about a product or service? Yes, you heard that right. Majority of people rely on videos to learn more about various products and services. That's a good reason for brands to get on board with video marketing. And that's not all. In fact, 86% of businesses use video as a marketing tool. 92% of marketers who use video say that it's an important part of their marketing strategy. 87% of video marketers reported that video gives them a positive ROI. 86% of video marketers say video has been effective in generating leads. 81% of marketers feel that video has a direct positive impact on sales. Due to this reason, top brands like Apple, Amazon, TripAdvisor, GoPro, ASOS, etc. are using videos as a valuable tool for marketing to cater maximum audience and convert them to loyal customers. So, the videos are the biggest marketing, brand building, and traffic generating strategy of the decade. Even after this huge potential of video marketing, more than 50% of medium and small business owners aren't using it in their marketing strategy, or they are unable to do so. But why? Because creating quality videos isn't easy. It's time-consuming and expensive process, and you have to put a lot of effort into it. Spend hours figuring out how to use ChatGPT to create a perfect script for a video, or write the one manually. Wait for hours and days for a voiceover artist to record and send a voiceover for your video. Spend a lot of money on cameras and other equipment if you like to record your videos. Wasting hours and days on retakes to get perfect recordings. Pay for an expensive monthly subscription tool for editing videos. Wasting weeks in getting frustrated to learn video editing and other tech skills. Or you can take a subscription to any third-party AI application, plus an additional video creation tool. But this will cost $300 to $400 each month, and still you have to give a lot of time and effort to make it work. All this leads to a huge burnout of your hard-earned money, which medium and small business owners can't afford, so they miss out on this huge opportunity. But what if there was a solution to these problems? And thankfully, after 6 months of brainstorming, researching, development, and testing, finally, we were able to develop a winning solution and named it VideooAI. With VideooAI, you will have full control of your video creation. No need for any recording or facing camera. No need to buy expensive cameras and equipment. No need to be stuck into video editing and tech hassles. No need to spend hours on script writing, etc. No need to wait long hours for a voiceover artist. No need to pay heavy fees to freelancers and experts. No need to spend time and effort in learning video editing. No need to pay monthly charges for costly video tools. No need to struggle anymore to encash video marketing for your business. Introducing VideooAI, world's premium GPT-4 powered AI video creation platform, creates highly professional, attention-grabbing videos for your sales and marketing goals in any potential niche and language. It helps you drive 10x more traffic, conversions, and sales to your offers, sites, etc. with premium quality videos. It writes, records, and creates all inside a single dashboard. Create stunning GPT-4 powered sales and marketing videos in 3 easy steps without any complicated editing and script writing. Step 1. Choose. Choose a category, template, and enter the related keywords for lightning-fast video creation. Step 2. Customize. Customize your video as per your requirements. With the built-in editing tool, you can easily add a voiceover, audio, text, watermark, logo, background music, and more. Step 3. Publish and profits. Publish videos on your websites, pages, social media channels, blogs, etc. Or sell to your clients to generate profits and keep 100% with you. No sharing. This helps you to supercharge your online presence and boost your digital business profits. Even this could help you to start a new income stream for you. Here is how. Firstly, you can handle video projects for your existing customer base using our GPT-4-powered video AI and get paid monthly by them. Secondly, even if you are a new BI with no existing customer base, you can sell video creation services to thousands of business owners through platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, etc., and create videos for them in no time using the power of video AI. Even our beta testers were able to boost conversions and sales on their offers by using AI-created videos through VideooAI. VideooAI is loaded with advanced features powered by OpenAI GPT-4 technology combined under one platform. Built-in AI video creator that auto-creates videos as per your requirements and specified keywords. Easy-to-use video editor that needs no technical skills, so you can easily customize the AI-created videos, add watermark, logo, background image, trim video, speed control your videos, add background music, voiceover, add text, set fonts, perform alignments, etc. Built-in AI content generator that can instantly generate any type of content and video scripts. 100 AS of ready-to-use templates designed by professional experts to fit every niche video. Built-in AI graphic generator to create stunning graphics for use in your videos or other business purpose. Text-to-speech creator to turn your video script into voiceover with multilingual support in 80+ popular languages. Multilingual support to create videos in 80+ popular languages to help you cater global audience. Create videos for all marketing goals like explainer videos, sales videos, product demos, video ads, tutorials, social media promotional videos, and more. You can render unlimited videos with VideooAI, no restrictions or monthly fees. Loaded with 100K plus royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, audio tracks, etc. Up to 10 GB video storage to store your created videos. And much more. VideooAI is an all-inclusive GPT-4-powered AI video creator that allows you to create videos for all your marketing and sales goals irrespective of niche. Freelancers, marketers, affiliate marketers, website owners, video marketers, e-commerce store owners, business owners, bloggers, digital marketers, book publishers, YouTubers, social media influencer. That's not all. Today, with VideooAI, you will also get limited time commercial license. This commercial license will allow you to serve your clients by creating videos for their business needs using VideooAI and charging them as per the market rate and start making passive income. Look how crazily freelancers are earning $10 to $15,000 by selling video creation services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and others. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this AI tool to start a highly profitable business of creating and selling videos to your clients. With VideooAI, you are in full control to start making passive income online as it opens several streams of income. But remember, this is a limited time deal, and VideooAI is available at this low one-time price only during this launch offer, and after that, its price will be reverted to its monthly subscription of $97 per month. It's time for you to take action now, and don't worry. Your investment is risk-free with our 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying, we will refund 100% of your money. So don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Get your copy of VideooAI and start making all-time big profits.